wanted to do a quick video on UPS heading into tomorrow morning's earnings print, right? So we had a interesting finish here on the daily. We closed right here at the top of a wedge break, couldn't break it. Also couldn't close this bear gap here at the 197.55 price level. Man, if we can break above 197.55 tomorrow, I think that this stock can run. The next price level would be 200 and then 201 and then 205, right? But for earnings, I just think that if this breaks out, if they have a nice earnings with good guidance, this can break out and go to 205. If they miss earnings and or just guide down, because guidance is the most important thing. So that's what's important. If they guide down and it's the outlook is bad, we lose 194.82. I think we can go down to 186. So keep this on watch, man. And again, if you're just trading this, like hypothetically, if it moves sideways or something and you want to just trade it tomorrow, it needs to clear 197.55 before you could take any plays on it. And, obviously, and then the first price target would be the 200 price level. Second price target would be 201. Now, listen, if we lose the 194.82 price level, first price target that I would take profit would be that gap fill down at the 192.90 price level and then down to 188. But yeah, keep this on watch. Again, they're pricing in about a $9 move. I think this is the perfect storm. So it's not they normally bake in the IV on these contracts are normally really crazy. And right now the IV is about 50%. So it's not overly like it's I think that if they have a nice earnings with a surprise beat, this has a potential to run and have a nice print for anyone who's in the earnings because they didn't inflate the price of the options this time around. So again, they're not expecting a big move. So that's when a stock moves off a surprise. So let's see what happens, man. Let me know if you have any questions. Cheers.